Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix we could now verify that this account belongs to you on Cash App. If you're facing this type of error, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to close this page from here. So guys, after that you have to open settings first, and then you have to scroll it down a bit. Just simply go to your app. If it's glitch in your app, then you have to do these steps. So just simply you have to search for Cash App. Here it is guys, just simply tap on this and just simply you have to clear cache or clear storage, and then you have to force stop the app, and after that check whether the form has been fixed or not. If it's due to your network, just simply you have to open control center, and then you have to turn on your aeroplane mode. Okay guys, and just simply turn this off. And if you're using Wi-Fi, just simply you have to tap on Wi-Fi and just simply make sure that you have strong you have strong enough connection with Wi-Fi. So after doing all these things, check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if form is there, then it means you have entered incorrect information. That's why it's showing here. So just simply check your username or check your password on Cash App, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.